Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find Accounts and Backup. Now let's tap on this backup data, which is in the Google Drive section, and here just tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, so you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it doesn't really matter. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, we do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here from this step we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the info about the backup, so we can use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically and store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily whenever you want to. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data now, just tap on Not Now, and after deciding that you want to do it actually, and just come back to this section and tap on backup data. All I wanted to show you is that you don't want to go through the whole operation of adding the account. You will be transferred directly to this step. So let's simply tap on turn on, and as you can see right here we've got the backup section, let's say. So here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage. Here we've got the backup details. What's more, we've got the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this you can avoid some charges, some paying the money for downloading something or backing up. So just using the transfer. So if you're ready, just tap on backup now, and of course we have to confirm it with our screen lock. Tap on continue, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.